Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here at Sundar Motors Mercedes-Benz in Chennai. So I would like to thank them for allowing me to review their cars. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today this is the Mercedes-Benz EQC 400. So let's quickly get in the boot. Just push it once and you can get in the boot. So boot is good enough, 550 liters. You get a net here with a first aid kit, and you get a partial shelf with 3 adjustable headrests, and here you can fold down the seats, can hang your things here. So under this it's quite heavy, so you have some space, and this is a space this is not a space saver spare wheel because the battery is under the floor, so it eats the boot space. So yeah, the loading grip is good, so putting things here is really good. It's easy to do. Here you can lock the car and press it once to close the boot. So you get the Mercedes logo, the continuous light treatment, EQC 400 badging, 4MATIC, so it has 4-wheel drive. Then you have rear parking sensors, 360-degree parking camera, and yeah, so this is the tire size, 255, 45, 20 inches. So yeah, the alloy wheels are really large, and it gets blue treatment because it's the electric version of the GLC, we can say 500, and the Mercedes logo. The alloy wheels looks really good, Pirelli rubber. So you get a footstep here, and chrome exterior door handles. So yeah, you get vertical door handles with turn indicators, EQC badging here in blue color. Then you have the blue finishing here as well. These are high performance LEDs, the headlights, the massive Mercedes-Benz logo here, Mercedes logo here as well. Big huge grille with front parking sensors, and as I told, 360-degree parking camera. So yeah, this is where you can charge your car. So it gets a wall mount charger. So the Mercedes-Benz people will come at your house and they will install it in your house. Then you can charge the car. It will take around 8 hours to charge it fully. Then you have the DC charging, but it's not available right now. Then you have the AC, again that will take around 15 to 18 hours. So yeah, so the doors are good, heavy and big. Window area is really good. You won't feel claustrophobic. Slivering of door handles, metal switch for the power window. Door pockets are large enough. One little bottle may fit easily. Really good quality door pads. Good finishing here. There's a Burmester sound system. So yeah, getting in and out is not a problem. Yeah, the doors shut with a proper thud. Now the legroom is decent. Knee is good, I would say. Scoop top seat back, and underside support is decent because the seat is quite low. Magazine holder. You get 3-zone automatic climate control, rear AC vents. And here you get a light with a handle and hook, same as the case there. 3 adjustable headrests as I told. So you get Isofix child seat mounts as well. I get a armrest with some space and twin cup holders. It opens like this. So yeah, 3 people won't be that comfortable because there is a transmission tunnel, but if we are really keen to carry 5 passengers, it's not a problem. You can do that for sure. Then you get height adjustable seat belts. So yeah, as I told, seats are comfortable. So let me show you the key. This is the key. You get lock, unlock, and you can directly open the boot from the key. So yeah, you get a light here. So this is the driver's door. Here you get power window switches, then outside ORM folding, central locking, electric adjust for the front seats with memory function. So you can directly open the boot. Front door pockets are large enough. EQC written over here. Good quality, I would say. You get a fire extinguisher under the seat. These are the headlight controls. This is for the electronic parking brake. And here you get the AC vent with this different sort of finish. So let's quickly get in. So here you get a driver armrest with some space. Then here is the touchpad. This is the parking camera. You can switch on and switch off. The infotainment system, volume control. This for the parking sensor, dynamic control, like the dynamic mode selector, I would say. Sorry, twin cup holders, and you get a USB here. So yeah, piano black touch on the dashboard. So I'll just keep the key here for a moment. So yeah, this is to go to the settings of the car. This is for favorite, hazard light, radio, media, map, navigation, telephone, menu. You get, as I told, 3-zone automatic climate control. So the seats are good and supportive. Underthigh support won't be a problem. So yeah, here you get a glove box, which is really good, and you can put a fragrance there. By Mercedes, they will provide you. So yeah, it's really good, spacious, good material used in the cabin. So no compromise on quality. You get silver finish here. This is the controls for the volume. You can browse the information display and the the infotainment system. Yeah, through this you can browse to the information display, and to this you can browse to the infotainment system. This is the cruise control. So this is the gear selector. You get paddle shifters, but these are not for the gear changing. This is the stock for the wipers. Yeah, so I'll just switch it on once. So this is the display. It gets the latest MBUX system by Mercedes. Really good and slick to use. So let me show you this. So you get a mirror with a light, same as the case here, mirror with a light, and here you get some lights, and then you have a sunglass holder. Yes, you have a sunglass holder here, SOS. Then you can open the sunroof. So it gets a normal sunroof, not the case of panoramic sunroof which all the Mercedes car gets. But okay, it brings in a lot of airy feeling because it's an all black cabin. So one touch electric sunroof. The blind is manual. So yeah, let me browse through this. This is the 12.3-inch multi-information display, the MBUX system, as I told. So it will show you the kilometers range, bonus start from start, reset, speed. Then you can change it. This is the battery, like how much you're consuming, and the percentage of power. Then this is the navigation map, eco display from start. Then you can, if you go here, so it's not going there, fine. Then this is the MBUX system. It's a touchscreen, 10.25 inch, really slick to use, and it is the best in the segment. So yeah, this is the, so it gets Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity. So it gets ambient lighting, 64 colors, as everyone knows. Even in my old videos, you must have seen the Mercedes cars. So it has massage seats as well. Seat comfort, you can adjust the side bolsters, lumbar, ambient lighting, 64 colors, you can customize it. So yeah, really cool. This is I think Mercedes is the only car which has, Mercedes is the only company which has 64 colors ambient lighting. Let's leave MG Gloucester because they have taken it from Mercedes. Then you have energizing comfort, you can take a nap. Then you have tips as well. So energizing coach. Then you have Mercedes Me apps like connected car tag. If you go into settings, you have ESP, hill descent control. You have assistance, camera and parking, active brake assist, attention assist, vehicle select, dynamic select, and individual. Like you can select the drive mode, steering, how you want the steering. ESP also you can set it. Then lights, you can change the ambient lighting, exterior lighting, interior lighting, styles and display, you can change the style. So if I put into sport, as you can see, then if I put into progressive, so yeah, this looks really cool. So let's put into classic. Then you have display brightness, display off, So a lot of controls here. You have handwriting recognition as well. You can change the sensitivity. So a lot of control. You have voice command as well. Hey Mercedes. Hey Mercedes.
How may I help you?
Bye. Okay, so yeah,
What can I...
just for showing, I just did it. Wi-Fi sync, you have audio control, time and date, language, units. Change the units as well, kilometers and miles. Activation, software update, pin protection, system info, reset. So a lot of controls here. You have navigation, phone. So yeah, the safety system of this car is 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, ESC. Traction control, hill start assist, hill descent control. Then you have 4-wheel drive system as I told earlier. And then you have tire pressure monitoring system. So yeah, let's quickly switch on the air conditioning. As you can see, the ambient lighting there. I don't know, it just went off. It's in red color, that's why I think you won't be able to see it. So yeah, air conditioning works brilliantly well. Chills the cabin in no time, really good. And the driver's seat is really supportive. So now let me talk about the battery. The car is to which it's powered. So it has a 80 kilowatt hour battery which produces around 408 horsepower and 760 Newton meters of torque. So 0 to 100 takes around 5.1 seconds. That's blisteringly quick. And the top speed, they have mentioned, I think it's around 180, but it can easily go above 180. So, and the claimed range by them is around 450 kilometers. So in the real world you can expect around 400 in the city and highway. If you go, really you can expect more. The engine start stop button looks really cool. So yeah, if anyone is interested in buying this car, you can really contact me, like DM me on Instagram. And so like as you can see, like if I'm dropping the temperature, it's becoming blue, and if I'm increasing the temperature, it's becoming red. So these attention to detail really help a lot. And please do let me know about your views on this car, like on comments in Instagram, and maybe you can DM me on Instagram and comment on YouTube. So thank you so much. Please do like, comment and subscribe.